What's going on, people? So if you have these engine as an Evinrude or Johnson, Ocean Runner, Ocean Pro, it's the same thing. You're gonna have this sensor here called optical sensor. So this thing, when it goes bad, causes all kind of problems. So let me show you how to change it.
Hello, this is Carlos with CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel.
So when this thing goes bad, you're not gonna experience a lot, no power in the engine. He dies. Then you think it's a carburetor. Then you think it's the gasoline. Then you change the spark plug. Then you change the power pack. Then you change everything, and then realize that you have to change the sensor first. Okay, is the optical sensor. This works with the timing. Work with the timing of the engine. And it goes right here, and it's pretty simple to change it. These three bolts out here. Listen up. Then the sensor is down here. This is the sensor. You're gonna take this off first. It's not hard, it's very simple, so don't be scared to do it yourself. Okay, now we got these bolts here, 3 bolts, and the sensor, as you can see, is upside down. Okay, this one, these 2 here, and these 3 right here. I got all the bolts out. I got the spring out, which is pretty simple. The spring just goes right here like this. So it is allowed to do this with the spring. So you see, you got everything here, and here's your sensor right there. This sensor has been here for like maybe 20 years. I don't think somebody changed it before. And it went bad. So I'm just gonna change it. Put the new one right there. All I gotta do is tighten it, and put everything back. This part I don't want to get in because you have a little bit of rust, from being there for so long, and the salt water and stuff like that. So you may have to sand it a little bit, not too much, just trying to smooth it out with a sandpaper, and do the same thing inside, and then you can put it in. Okay, so I put everything back, and as you can see, it was pretty easy. This is one of the most common problems in this engine, and it's very simple. You will change everything else before changing this, because you don't even know this there. You see some part number here. It may be different for your engine, but they're very similar. So okay, man, I hope this short video helped you out to solve the problem in your engine. Okay, just remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.